Okay guys, let's see what is CLR or Common Language Runtime. But before, if you are new to my channel Tech Creatics, please subscribe it. You can see subscribe button on the right bottom corner of this video. Common Language Runtime is very important topic in most interviews. This question asked many times. Before explaining CLR, let me tell you about the history of C Sharp. Before C Sharp, we have two programming languages. Number one is C and number second is C++ from C family. With either of these languages, when we compile application, it converts the program to native code or machine code, as you can see. Now we have different operating system. So let's say I have Windows operating system and I wrote C++ application on that operating system and compiled the application. After compiling the application, the program converts into the native code. When I took that application on a different operating system with different architecture, like I have a Linux operating system and I want to run the same code that I have in on Windows operating system, I cannot run that program on a Linux because its architecture is totally different. So when Microsoft was designing C Sharp language, they came up with an idea that is just like Java compilation. So what happens in Java compilation? When a compiler compiles code, it converts into a bytecode or intermediate language. Similarly, in a C sharp, when we compile our C sharp code, it converts into intermediate language code. So here comes Common Language Runtime or CLR that further convert our intermediate language code to a native code or machine code. So this process in which Common Language Runtime converts IL code or intermediate language code to native code. This process is called just-in-time compilation. So that's it for this lecture. See you in the next lecture.